Imagine waking up in a world where everything you thought you knew about being human just changed overnight. That's exactly what happened when anthropologists revealed a Neanderthal discovery so big it's rewriting our history books. So what did they find? Deep inside a cave in France, researchers uncovered an ancient site, older than any modern human settlement in Europe. But that's not even the craziest part. Among the stone tools, charred bones, they found something jaw-dropping, evidence that Neanderthals may have practiced symbolic rituals just like us. Hold on, weren't Neanderthals always painted as brutish cavemen grunting their way through life? Turns out, that stereotype is as outdated as a flip phone. The new evidence? It shows Neanderthals arrange stones in mysterious circles, possibly for rituals or ceremonies. And nearby, there were signs these early humans used pigments, jewelry made from animal teeth, shell beads. That means Neanderthals had culture. They shared stories, maybe even beliefs about life and death. It's a total game changer for how we see our ancient cousins. Instead of being a failed side branch of evolution, Neanderthals were creative, social, and dare I say, remarkably human. So why does this matter today? Well, if Neanderthals were capable of abstract thought and emotion, it blurs the line between them and us. That could mean some of the qualities we pride ourselves on, art, tradition, community, have roots much deeper in our genetic past than anyone imagined. This discovery isn't just about old bones and stones. It's a reminder that history is always evolving. And sometimes, the biggest surprises come from our own family tree. So next time you hear someone call someone else a Neanderthal, just remember, they might have been the original artists, thinkers, and dreamers. Stay curious, and who knows what else is waiting to be discovered beneath our feet.